Let me tell you a story. During morning, I go to buy Nirma and then I talk to an old guy. We did chit chat a lot. He said, "Where are you from?" I said, "I'm from MP." I said, "Where are you from?" He from he say he is local person. He said that I need to learn Kannada because it is very useful for and stuff. And I say that it due to college life and stuff. I really do chit chat with him. I feel really grateful that after a long week, 2 weeks, I have deep conversation with somebody, or else I have really basic chit chat and stuff. I'm really feeling very grateful for that old man that he break my social autistic part of the brain. And due to this, now in this video, I'm speaking really fluently. I'm speaking English in real fluent way. Maybe my grammar is wrong. I don't know what what I'm speaking. I don't know what grammar I'm speaking, but I'm speaking really fluently without any hesitation, without any robotic stuff like that. That's why. That's why it is really important to talk to anyone, have deep conversation and stuff. That's it. Like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video, and do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it.
Rolling is 7